I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play Smoke on the Water by Deep Purple. Some people say this is the most played beginner song there is, but most people only play the opening intro to it. But today I'm going to show you how to play the chords as well. They're pretty easy to play, and you can play the whole song. So let's get started on the lesson. And if you like this video, subscribe to our channel. It's completely free and it helps us out a lot. All right, so let's get started. So the opening riff is this. So some people, when they play this, they play these middle strings open. To me, that's too much noise. It's just got too much string noise. So I like to play it like this, and I mute it with my right hand. And when I pick it, he's playing it 2 strings at a time. And I'm almost positive he's using a pick, and then he's using his middle finger, and he's picking up with his middle finger on the bottom of the 2 strings to where he's plucking them. Almost positive, and that's how I get that sound. And then I also mute it with my right hand. Okay, so he's also playing with distortion or overdrive, depending on how he got that sound. I'm playing with a very clean sound so you can hear the notes. I think it makes it easier to explain things this way. So this is why my guitar sounds like this. So your first 2 strings are going to be the A and the D string on the 5th fret. The next 2 strings are going to be the D and the G on the 3rd fret. And I just lay my first finger across both of them at the same time. And then I take my 3rd and my 4th and I put them on the 5th. Then you do it one more time. Except on the 2nd time, you land on the 6th fret of the 2 middle strings and you slide back to the 5th. Then you do that one more time. Then you hit the middle 2 on the 3rd fret and go back to the original A, D on the 5th fret. So I'll do it one more time. Nice and slow for you. And from there, it goes into the to the chord progression, but he's not really strumming the chords. He's doing. So for that chord progression, it's a G chord. You put your finger on the 3rd fret of the E string, your 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the A, your pinky on the 5th fret of the D. And he's just strumming down kind of slowly on these 3 notes and muting it with his hand so the string dies after he picks it. It goes like this. It does that for that's the first progression. It does it 4 times. So the next 4 times, it starts out on the G again, it goes, and it slides down here to this F, and it picks up on those 3 strings. Then it slides back up to the G, and picks down on it twice. So from beginning to end, this is the verse. It goes. So to do that, it goes to this C chord. The C chord is going to be the A string on the 3rd fret. Then you're going to put your 3rd and your 4th finger on the 5th fret of the D and the G. And it just goes down on those 3 notes like that. Then it goes to this A flat, which is going to be the 4th fret of the E, the 6th fret of the A and the D. That's the A and the D on the 5th fret. That's the 3rd fret of the D and the G. That's going to be the A and the D on the 3rd fret. Then it goes back to the intro. So that is basically the pieces and parts to Smoke on the Water. And while that's a simple song to play, the guitar player, Ritchie Blackmore, was not known for always playing simple stuff. That song was just an easy one to play. Just proof that great songs don't have to be really complicated to play, because that's a great song and everybody knows it, and it's a very popular song. So I hope you like this video, and if you do, subscribe to our channel, and thank you, and have a great day.